Good afternoon, Lucas. It is nice to see you here at the library.
Good afternoon, Clara. I enjoy spending quiet time here.
What book are you reading today?
It is a novel about travel and discovery. The story is very interesting.
That sounds nice. I also love books that talk about adventure.
I always get lost in a good book. It is like visiting a new world.
I agree. A book can make you forget time.
What are you reading, Clara?
I am reading a mystery. I cannot stop turning the pages.
I like mysteries too. Do you read many of them?
Yes, I try to find a new book every week. The library is perfect for that.
Sometimes I leave with more books than I can finish.
I do the same. My bag becomes so heavy.
Book lovers always have this problem. The library has too many good choices.
Do you have a favorite author or book?
It is difficult to choose, but I like stories that make me think.
I also enjoy stories that stay in your mind after you finish them.
Thank you for this nice chat, Clara. I hope your mystery book is wonderful.
Thank you, Lucas. Enjoy your book and have a great afternoon.
I love coming to the beach in the afternoon. The air feels so fresh here.
It is very peaceful now. I enjoy listening to the sound of the waves.
Sometimes I wish I could spend every day here, just sitting and watching the sea.
I agree. The beach helps me relax after a week of work. It is like a small holiday.
Do you remember last summer when we built that huge sand castle? That was so much fun.
Yes, I do. Many people stopped to look at it. It made me feel like a child again.
Have you ever thought about learning to surf? I see many people trying it here.
I have, but I think I would fall a lot. It looks difficult, but also exciting.
Maybe we can take a surfing lesson together one day. It could be a new adventure.
I like that idea. Even if I fall, I think I will enjoy it.
It is always better to try new things with a friend beside you.
Yes, and after, we can get some ice cream. I always want ice cream at the beach.
I love strawberry ice cream. It tastes best when I am near the sea.
For me, chocolate is always my choice. I get it every time we come here.
Next time, we can try a new flavor together. It will be fun.
That sounds perfect. I always look forward to our beach afternoons.
Thank you for coming with me today.
Thank you for inviting me, Camila.
Have a beautiful evening, Lucas. Lucas, this coffee shop is so cozy today.
Yes, I like coming here, especially when it is raining outside.
Do you often visit this place in the afternoon?
I come a few times a month. I enjoy reading here. What about you?
I visit when I want a quiet spot. The coffee always tastes fresh.
That is true. The barista makes great cappuccinos.
I tried one last week. It was very creamy.
Do you have a favorite pastry here?
I love their almond croissant. I order it almost every time.
I notice. You always look so happy with it.
I cannot help it. Good food makes me smile.
Maybe I will try one today. Do you recommend it with black coffee?
Yes, it goes well with a strong coffee. It is a good balance.
Next time I will bring a book. This place is perfect for relaxing.
I think so too. It feels peaceful here with the rain.
Thank you for meeting me today.
Thank you, Lucas. I always enjoy our time together.
Have a great rest of your day.
Good morning. The market is very busy today.
Good morning. Yes, many people come here on Saturdays.
Do you visit this market every week?
I come here almost every Saturday. I like to buy fresh food for my family.
That sounds nice. I am looking for fresh tomatoes and some bread.
The tomatoes are very good this week. You can also find fresh bread at the next stall.
Thank you. Do you have a favorite vendor in this market?
Yes, the woman who sells cheese is always kind and always gives me good advice.
Oh, I love cheese. Maybe I will stop at her stall as well.
You should try her homemade cheese. It is delicious and creamy.
Do you usually buy anything special at the market?
I often buy apples for my children. They like to eat them after school.
That is a lovely tradition. My family often shares fruit after dinner.
It brings everyone together. The small market makes shopping enjoyable.
I agree. I prefer this market to the big supermarket.
Me too. People here are friendly and everything is fresh.
Thank you for your tips. I hope you enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day at the market.
It is such a nice day to be outside.
Yes, the weather is perfect today.
Did you see how many bicycles are near the path?
I noticed that. People seem to enjoy riding here.
I used to come here with my bicycle when I was younger.
That sounds nice. I learned to ride a bicycle quite late.
Really? I always thought everyone learns as a child.
I started when I was 25. My brother taught me.
Do you ride often now?
Not very often, but sometimes on weekends.
I have not used my bicycle in months. I miss it.
Maybe we could go for a short ride together one day.
I would like that. It is more fun with company.
We can choose a quiet route and enjoy the park.
Let us plan for next weekend if the weather is nice.
Yes, I will check my bicycle before then.
Thank you for the idea. I am really looking forward to it.
Me too. It will be a great way to enjoy the park together.
David, I really like sitting at this table in the morning.
Me too, Laura. The sunlight feels nice here.
Did you always have this big table in your kitchen?
No, I bought this table 2 years ago. I wanted more space for breakfast and family meals.
It is perfect. We can put so many things on it, like flowers and fruit.
Yes, and there is always room for guests or games, too.
I love the wood. It looks strong and also beautiful.
Thank you, Laura. I chose this table because it is made from oak wood.
Oak? That explains why it feels so sturdy.
Exactly. I wanted a table that would last a long time.
Good choice, David. I think a nice table makes a home feel warm.
You are right. Many happy moments can happen around the table.
Do you often invite friends over for dinner here?
Yes, I do. Last month, we played board games at this table all evening.
That sounds fun. Maybe next time I can join too.
Of course, you are always welcome.
Thank you so much, David. I look forward to it.
Have a wonderful day, Laura.
The weather is so nice today. I like sitting outside when the sun is shining.
Yes, the sun feels good on my face. It makes everything look brighter.
I often come here to relax after work. This park is special to me.
Do you come here often in the afternoon?
Yes, I come a few times a week. The sunlight at this hour is beautiful.
I agree. It is always calm at this time. The sun makes the colors more soft.
Sometimes I watch the sunset from this bench. It is very peaceful.
I have never watched the sunset from here. Maybe I will try that soon.
You should. The sky turns orange and pink. It feels like a small gift from the sun.
That sounds wonderful. The sun really changes how a place feels.
I think sunlight helps me feel more positive. Even a short walk outside is nice.
I agree. When it is cloudy for many days, I miss the sun a lot.
Do you remember a special day with a lot of sunshine?
Yes, last summer I went to the beach. The sun was bright and the water was clear.
That sounds so nice. I would love to visit the beach again soon.
Maybe on another sunny day, we can go together.
That is a great idea. Thank you for the lovely talk.
Thank you as well. Enjoy the rest of this sunny day.
This spot in the park is really nice today. The sunlight feels gentle.
Yes, I like sitting here. The trees give us shade, and it is peaceful.
Do you often come to this park, Lucas?
I come once or twice a week. It helps me relax after work.
That sounds nice. I walk here on weekends, but I have never noticed these flowers before.
Sometimes they change the flowers each season. Last month, there were tulips here.
Oh, tulips are lovely. I want to come more often and see what new things appear.
Do you have a favorite part of the park?
I love the pond, especially when the ducks swim around. It is so calming to watch them.
Yes, the pond is beautiful. Sometimes I bring some bread to feed the ducks.
The ducks are always hungry. They always come right up to people.
That is true. Children laugh when the ducks waddle close to them.
The sounds in the park make me feel better. I hear birds, water, and people enjoying themselves.
It is different from the busy streets. In here, I can slow down and breathe.
Nature is important for us. I will try to visit more often from now on.
That is a good idea. I am glad we could relax together today.
Thank you for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon.
You too, Sophie. Enjoy the rest of your day. It is very nice to have a relaxing afternoon here, Carla.
I agree. The living room feels so peaceful with the light and the music.
This song is lovely. Do you often listen to this kind of music at home?
Yes, I do. I like soft music when I want to rest. It makes me feel calm.
What is your favorite music to listen to when you are happy?
When I am happy, I listen to pop music. It gives me a lot of energy.
I like pop music too. Sometimes I even dance when nobody is watching.
That sounds fun. I dance in the kitchen when I cook. Music makes everything better.
Music really is special. It changes the mood in a room.
I remember when I was young, my family played music together at home. Those were good times.
Did you play an instrument or did you sing?
I sang, and my father played the guitar. Now I sometimes sing for my friends.
That is wonderful. I have never tried singing much, but I enjoy listening.
You should try one day. Singing is good for the heart, even just for yourself.
Maybe I will try. Thank you for the idea, Carla.
You are welcome. I hope music brings you joy too.
Thank you for this lovely afternoon.
You are always welcome here, Daniel. It feels nice to sit down after walking so much.
I agree. Shopping can be tiring sometimes.
Do you enjoy shopping at the mall, Lucas?
I enjoy it when I am with a friend. Alone, I do not come here often.
It is more fun with company. I like looking at new things, even if I do not buy them.
Yes, window shopping is interesting. I saw some nice shirts today.
Did you buy anything for yourself, or just look?
I only looked this time. Maybe I will buy something next month.
You are patient. I always find a small treat for myself in the end.
What did you get today? I noticed your pretty new scarf.
Thank you. Yes, I found this scarf and could not resist. The colors make me smile.
It suits you well. Shopping for clothes is sometimes difficult for me.
I understand. There are so many choices. Sometimes I just take a break and watch people.
I do the same. It is relaxing. The mall is good for that, with all the little cafes.
Would you like to get a coffee after we finish our shopping?
That sounds great. Coffee and a rest will be perfect.
Thank you for coming with me today.
Thank you too, Isabel. I had a wonderful time.